So today we're doing some mattress cleaning. I don't know if you knew that, but I do clean mattresses too. And it's actually very, very important. A lot of people don't realize if you don't have one of those protectors on there, how much of your dead skin and dust mites and things get in, and it just builds up over time. And you could vacuum all day, it's not going to get everything. So you need something to release it, because some of the stuff, the oils and things, they seep through your sheets and get in there. You wouldn't believe the color of the water I get whenever I clean mattresses. But I think it's good to do every couple of years. If you really value your mattress, you like it, want to hang on to it for a while, give me a call and I'll come out there and deep clean it. Set up here to start this one. This one's soaking a bit. I put a sanitizing agent on it, so I can't do much yet. I gotta let it sit for a sec, and then we'll start cleaning it out. But we're doing a little pre-vacuuming on here. We got Angie over here doing that. We've tried to get as much of the loose debris and dry soil out as we can. And you've got some spots here. Don't worry, it's not pee. Sometimes people just spill coffee or something. I probably got those on my bed, because I drink coffee or tea. It happens. So yeah, we're just going to be working away, but maybe I'll take a video and show you the extraction process. But it's pretty similar if you see me do upholstery. But yeah, we'll show a video anyway. But yeah, that's what we're doing. Get that pre-spray on there. This is after cleaning. Doesn't look that much different, but I'm going to show you what's inside this water. That's going to change your mind about how you deal with mattress cleaning in the future. Let's show you that water. Look at that. It's all living in there. And that's what's living in every mattress, especially if it doesn't have a mattress cover. So something to consider for down the road if you want to make sure your mattress is nice and clean and like really clean. Give me a call. Bye.